Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are group 3, and this is our third lab for COA. This my team's members, Ahmed and Sohaib and Salman, and we'll start with my colleague Salman. He will explain the question number 1.
Sure. My name is Salman Muhammad. I will explain the question number 1. So number is a program adding run to loop to 100 multiply 7. Okay. To data to title, the word is 0 comes 0, and counter 0 comes 7. Okay. For EX title is register is 0 because the title keyword is 0. Okay, and ECX counter becomes 7 because the counter keyword is 7. Okay, before to start the loop, we have to multiply 100 7 times. For start the loop, we have like add 100, add 100 7 times to loop. Like we start from 100 until 600. You have to add 7 times. We see here and in counter in EX 100, we have to add again. E6 is 7. Is becomes 6. Now we add EX come 300 and 300, 400 until 600. We added 7 times from the loop until 600, 700. Just to add EX become 1.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Suhail Abdullah. So I will try to explain question 2. Okay, so in this program, we have to find the value of 1. There was a question given in our question here. We have to find this one. So let's get on with it. So at first we had to initialize 4 variables. First variable was val a, where we put question mark here to indicate that the value of val a is still undecided. There is nothing here. In the next line there is val b, which value is 12, and value of val c is 4, value of val d is 20. So when we go to the main procedure, you can see here. So I initialize, I moved 0 to DX register, so that when we divide the whole thing here, the register does not overload. Okay, just to make sure the register doesn't overload. So the next line, I moved a value of val b, which is 12, to register AX, and in the next line I I multiplied register AX by value of val d here in 20, and the last line I divided the whole thing. I divided register AX with value of val c, which you can see in the code. When I run the code, let's run the code first. So So as you can see right now, the code, I still haven't run the code. The cursor is here, so let's just step down once. Okay, so line 16 has been executed. As you can see, the value of AX is still, this is a garbage value, I think. So value of A is 0 because it's still undecided. We haven't put anything here. Value of B is 12. Here we put 12. Value of D is 20 and value of C is 4. So when we execute the next line, line 17, where we move value of val B into register AX. So now the value of register AX is 12, as you can see here. So let's step down again and run line 18. Uh, as you can see here, I multiplied the value of AX with value of val D, which is 20. So when I multiply 12 with 20, which is it becomes 240. So let's step down again, where I divide the value of AX with value of val C. So when we divide 240 by 4, here you can see value of val C is 4. It becomes the value of AX becomes 60. So in the last line, where we initialize at the first line here, the value of A is still undecided. So we move the value of AX to value of val A. So the value of val A becomes 60. Let's do this again. I executed line 23, and as you can see here, the value of val A goes 0 to 60 because I moved the value of AX into value of val A. So that concludes this program. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Suhaib and Salman. That was awesome. To sum up, we could say that we run the loop for 7 times to count 100 times 7. And when the loop is done, the value for EAX for for the ECX going to be 0, and the EEX will be 700, and that's for question 1. For question 2, the layout is similar to question 1, and in line 16 we added move DX0 to avoid the overload in the line 18, which is div val C. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Thanks for Dr. Ada for watch this video. Stay safe.